Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox and review Hoover portable carpet cleaner. So why to waste time? Let's get on to this. Alright, this is all we got inside the box. Here is our Spotless portable carpet cleaner, and here is the piece that gets connected, and that's where we just do the cleaning. And I exactly don't know where this goes, and they just have given us deep clean, so some solution just for like if you want to use. This is not cordless, this is a wide one, and you guys can see this is a hose, and this is gets connected with this. And just to do this, you have to make sure the solution sprinkler is at the bottom, and just push it. If you want to remove it, just all you need to do is push this button and remove. When you're cleaning the carpet, to release the solution, you need to press the bottom button. You need to press this trigger, hold it to release the solution as you keep cleaning it. And once you are done, like, you can clean the hose, just keeping this one back into this and start again, so that it will clean all the dirt or like whatever things inside the hose. And here is our solution tank where the actual solution goes. To fill the solution, you need to press the button on the top, and once you press, it will open. And this is the fill cap. This is where you will put the solution. So once you are done, just put this back. And they mentioned clearly for self clean 0.1 gallon water. For small mess and self clean, you need to add 0.1 gallon water, and for larger mess 0.4 gallon water along with the solution. And once you fill this one, tighten this cap and keep it back and push it. And this is where the actual dirt get collected. And even like once you are done, like to clean this one, just push this one, and there is a lock at the back. Just you need to lift this one, remove this piece, and you can remove the dirt. And once you are done, just place it back and lock. Done. So again, keep it back here. To go over the details, it doesn't have much. It is very portable and easy to carry. The weight of this one is 9 pounds, so it's very lightweighted, it's not heavy weighted. And that's it. Let's go and give it a try. Alright, I filled up this one because I have larger mess and big sofa, so I filled up to the larger mess and with the solution. So you can find solutions on Walmart or eBay or anywhere, like, and just mix it according to the specifications and lock it back. Keep this one and done. You guys can see there are a lot of stains on my sofa. For some reasons it is not visible on the video, but there is a lot of dirt and stains. To turn this one on, you guys can see there is a switch here, and it's running. And it's running. So just use this one, then push this one after that, and it will start working.
One eternity later.
You guys can see how it works. It's really doing great. It's cleaning really good. So just to wash this one, just take this one off, and as I said, like, just remove this tank, this piece, and you can empty this tank. So I'll do it later, but overall, like, I really love this product, and for the product link you guys can refer to the description. And that's it for today's week's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next one.